Welcome back to B30. If you're serious about leveling up in your entrepreneurial journey, there's one thing you need to master: systems. Systems are the backbone of any successful business and the key to achieving long-term success. Today, I'm sharing the 7 core systems that have completely transformed my business and personal life. Let's dive in. Number 7, the content waterfall system. The secret to viral content isn't creating more, it's repurposing what you've already made. A single Twitter thread can become 5 individual tweets, 2 TikTok videos, a LinkedIn carousel, and even a newsletter over the span of 6 weeks. This system maximizes your luck surface area with minimal effort, allowing you to constantly stay in front of your audience. Work smarter, not harder. Number 6, the deep work system. In today's world, deep focus is your biggest advantage. I get more done in 4 hours of deep work than most people accomplish in a week. Here's the formula. Prepare the day before, eliminate dopamine triggers, like your phone, and focus on high-impact projects. Deep work acts like a laser, cutting through distractions and delivering massive results, fast. Number 5, the soul trip system. Every 6 weeks I take a spontaneous trip. These trips allow me to disconnect from routine, immerse in nature, and have authentic experiences. This is my way of avoiding burnout and shaking up my creativity. If you're stuck or stressed, a soul trip might be the preventative medicine you didn't know you needed. Number 4, the personal board system. Just like public companies have a board of directors, you should have your own personal board. Surround yourself with experts, peers, and mentors who challenge you, support you, and share the outcomes you want. Success doesn't happen alone. Crowdsource it from the people in your network who've already been where you want to go. Number 3, the Dream Week system. Most people lack a structured routine and wonder why they aren't progressing. The Dream Week system fixes this. Each week, schedule time for learning, deep work, and rest. Consistent routines help you break down big goals into small, repeatable actions. It's the secret to making meaningful progress without getting overwhelmed. Number 2, the 80-20 system. The Pareto principle, 80% of results come from 20% of efforts, is a game changer once you start recognizing it in every area of your life. Identify the 20% of relationships, business activities, and health habits that lead to the most significant outcomes. This system helps you focus your time and energy on what truly matters, letting leverage multiply your success. Number 1, the health system. As an entrepreneur, your health is wealth. At a minimum, prioritize good nutrition, regular meditation, and lifting weights. Entrepreneurship is a marathon, not a sprint. The longer and healthier you are, the more you can achieve. Focus on longevity, because when your body thrives, your business thrives too. These 7 systems are the foundation of my success, and they can be yours too. Which system are you going to implement first? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow entrepreneurs. See you in the next one.